Hello students, welcome to our 7th class mathematics part 2 video. Shall we start the class now? Today let us learn the new concept of operations of integers. Already we have done addition and subtraction of integers in class 6. Now let us learn to the concept of these operations of integer is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now let us first we want to talk about addition of integers. Okay, let me take some examples. 4 plus 3 is equals to, already you know the sum of 4 plus 3 is 7. Next 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. So once observe the above pattern, 4 is added to 3, 2, 1, 0. Here these numbers are we are discussed in integers. After 0, left side of 0 are negative numbers. Those are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Shall we add 4 to these negative numbers? Okay. 4 plus of minus 1 is 3. Once observe the right side answers 7, 6, 5, 4. Here it is decreased by 1. So the answer also decreased by 1. So 4 plus of minus 1 is 3. Okay children. Same like that 4 plus of minus 2. Here after left side of minus 1 is minus 2. So answer is also reduced by 1. So means 4 plus of minus 2 is 2. Same like 4 plus of minus 3 is 1. Here we observe when the number being added is decreased by 1 means 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 like that. Then the value of the sum also decreased by 1. Clear now? Let us see the same thing on the number line. Okay. So first of all we can draw a number line, mark with the equal distance and enter the integers on number line. So here 4 plus 3. Now the question is how to solve the 4 plus 3 on the number line. On the number line when we added 3 to 4, we have moved 3 steps right on the number line. So you added 3 to 4. From 4 it is moved 3 steps. The answer we are getting 7. So when we start 4 then we move right side of the 4 3 steps, then we are getting the answer is 7. You will find that in each case you have moved right on the number line. Now let us see another question. What happening here? Okay, 4 plus of minus 1. Let us see when we added minus 1 to 4. We have moved one step left side on the number line. It means if we added a negative integer on the number line, we move left side of the number. Okay, that number of steps. If we added positive integer, we move right side. Okay. Thus, each time you added a positive integer, you move right on the number line. On the other hand, in each time you added a negative number, you move left side on the number line. Is it clear? If we added a positive number, we move right side on the number line. If we added a negative number, we move left side on the number line. Okay children, I hope it is very clear to you. Now going to the next one, that is exercise 2, some problems. Okay, exercise 2, the first problem, represent the following additions on a number line. The first question is 5 plus 7. Already you know, first of all we should draw a number line, mark the points on the number line. Next our question is 5 plus 7. So we start from 5. So take 5, move how many steps? 7 steps from right side of the 5. We are getting 12. Is it clear to you? Now going to the next question. 5 plus of minus 2. Here we are added negative integer. If we are added negative integer, we move left side of the number. Okay. So The answer is take a number line, enter the numbers on the number line, and our first position is 5. So we start with 5, then go to left side of 5 and move 2 steps from the left side of 5. Then we are getting 3. 5 plus of minus 2 is 3. Now this is the second bit problems. So computing the following, these all the problems do normally. No need to do the answer by using number line. Okay na? Now subtraction of integers. How like we find the addition of integers on the number line? Here also we are getting same process, just a small change is there. Observe these examples. 6 minus 3 is 3. Already you know. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. So 6 minus of minus 1 is 7. 6 minus of minus 2 is 8. Like observe the above pattern, we will find that when the number being subtracted from 6 is decreased by 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1 like that, the value of the difference increased by 1. The number subtracted from 6 is decreased by 1. The answer should be increased by 1. This is the pattern of subtraction of integers. Now examples, 6 minus 3. Okay, on the number line, first of all we are identify the number is 6. Okay, then here we are subtracting 3 from 6. So we move left side of the 6. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Then it reached 3. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Means on the number line, when we subtract 3 from 6, we move 3 steps left on the number line, we are getting the answer. Okay. The next example, if we subtracted negative integer from 6. Okay, that is 6 minus of minus 2. So again we should start with 6. But we move right to 2 we move. Okay, how many steps? 2 steps. So 6 to start, 6 to 7 1 step, 7 to 8 another step, we are getting the answer is 8. If we subtracted positive integer, we move left side. Negative integer, we move right side of the number line. Okay, so here thus each time you subtract a positive integer, you move left on the number line, and negative integer you move right on the number line. Okay, so it is clear to you. Now going to next exercise. First one, represent the following subtractions on the number line. First question is 7 minus 2. Here we subtracted positive integer, that is 2, from 7. 7లో నుంచి 2ను తీసేయాలి. So we should start with 7. Move left side. Positive integer ని తీసేస్తే left side వెళ్ళాలి. How many steps? 2 steps. We are getting 5. Okay. This is the next example. 5 minus of minus 8. Here we are taking negative integer is minus 8 subtracted from 5. If we subtract negative integer, we move right side. So we should start with 5 and we move right side on the number line 8 steps. 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8 like that. We are getting, after 8 steps, we are getting the answer is 13. Okay children. So negative integer, if we subtract negative integer, we move right side. Positive integer, we move left side. Okay. Is it clear? Now next bit. Compute the following. So these problems, 9 problems are there. So you can do normally, no need to do on the number line. Just 17 minus of minus 14. So 17 minus of minus 14 means from 17 to we move negative integer. So we take negative, we are getting the answer, we move right side. 17 plus 14. You are getting the answer. Okay. Thank you children. Okay. Do all the problems. Thank you watching this video. Thank you so much.